What is up, guys? SpeedCube Legends here, and today I'm going to solve the cube with my feet for my first time ever in my entire life. And I mean, why didn't I do it before? Because why? Just why? I mean, I don't know, I just didn't think about it. Well, it doesn't matter. The point is that I'm doing it now, and you guys are gonna get to see how bad I am, and yeah, it's gonna be fun. So yeah, let's get right to it. Yay. No! No, you son of a mom, I hate this. No, I'm not doing this. Guys, I got working. No! Why? I didn't even do M moves. Fun. Let's go! I averaged about I averaged about 10 minutes, 47 seconds, and 80 microseconds. Whoa, let's go. I'm so happy. I'm so happy that I could eat a cow right now. I don't know what I'm saying. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell because I'm awesome and I'm a legend. And yeah, see you next time.